Okay, now it has started really. Yeah. It has started. Now let's do run this and see if we are getting the thing. So shift enter, and we can say themes by here, and let's say we use dot or something. Yeah, dot head. So then dot head, and we call that method, and we run. And yes, you can see the ID theme. In this year, we had only 2 unique, and 1950 we had only 1 unique theme, and 1912 we had. Also, we can also do the last 5. The last 5, we can come here and we can say, let me copy, and we just change this to tail, and then we run. Then you can see the last 5 years with their unique themes. We had this one having 89, 2017, and 2021 we had only 1 unique theme. So that is how we can get the data. So now the aggregate we have seen, it is just many you can use to multiply, divide, and so on and so on. But here we just want just addition of the total number, summation of all the themes that were unique, right?